From the KATC Weather Lab, here's Bradley's forecast.
Welcome back. Well, we are looking at a little bit more of an unsettled weather pattern here across Acadiana, we'll say, over the next 24 hours. So here's what we got going on as we take a look at the upper level pattern. General weakness aloft across much of the deep south. A little bit of a disturbance rolling through here off to our north. That's dropping southward, but boy, that's producing some strong shower and thunderstorm activity for areas, again, pretty much out of the viewing area in and around Alexandria, and then points off to the northwest. But look at the lightning associated with this complex of storms generally moving off to the south, so this could clip portions of, we'll say, Vernon and Beauregard parishes over the next couple of hours or so. But generally speaking, those storms should be on a weakening trend through the overnight period. Notice we're quiet here in Acadiana, and should generally stay that way for most of the night. High resolution rapid refresh model showing that complex kind of falling apart, but nonetheless, with that disturbance overhead tomorrow, should help to give us a pretty good scattering of showers and storms. So mid to upper 70s first thing tomorrow morning. Temperatures still able to climb upper 80s to lower 90s for those high temperatures. And then again, once we get some daytime heating out there, that should lead to a scattering of showers and thunderstorms. Prime time mid-late morning and then through the afternoon time frame. A lot of low-level moisture available in the atmosphere, so any one particular storm that gets going tomorrow will have the capability to put down some brief heavy downpours, so be on the lookout for that. Of course, lightning as well, primetime lightning season. Most of that starts to come to an end tomorrow evening. Quiet tomorrow night, mid to upper 70s. That's where we'll start our Friday. And then we'll have scattered showers and storms starting to redevelop into Friday morning, mainly along the coastal parishes and offshore. And that's pretty much where activity is going to be confined for most of Friday. So rain chances down to around 40 to 50%, a little bit higher along the coast. And as we head into the weekend and much of next week, very typical summertime pattern, hot and humid, with rain chances settling into around 30 to 40%. As far as rainfall totals over the next, we'll say, day or two, pretty typical summertime scenario. Most of us picking up maybe a half an inch or less, but locally higher amounts out there, especially in those heavier thunderstorms. But again, that's mainly going to be for areas along the coast and then especially offshore. Meanwhile, out in the tropics, you can see that complex of storms firing up across the northern parts of the state this evening. Our disturbance that we've been tracking for the better part of the week out in the Gulf never really manifested into anything, so certainly that was some good news there. And the rest of the tropical Atlantic, boy, looking really good and quiet with no developments expected at least through the next 5 days, so we like to keep that going for as long as possible. Generally quiet conditions out there tonight. Again, a few storms to the north and west, mainly Vernon and Beauregard parishes with that complex of storms. 76 for the projected low, and then for tomorrow, hot and humid out there with showers and storms developing with the heating of the day. Again, prime time, mid-morning into the mid-afternoon, so we'll hold rain chances at around 60 to 70%. Southerly winds at around 5 to 10. And then here we go, rounding out the week Friday, heading into the weekend. And really for much of next week, for that matter, very typical summertime pattern here across Acadiana. With your high temperatures settling into the lower and middle 90s, and again, rain chances 30 to 40%. Mild and muggy, overnight lows mid to upper 70s. But for tomorrow, just have the rain gear ready to go. Won't be raining all day long, but we'll have to be dodging some storms.
Don't want to be dodging them in and out of work, which typically happens.
Gotta pick your times when to come to work and in between the showers.
We always get caught, don't we?
We do. We definitely do.
We've been warned. Thanks, Bradley.